Imagine setting off on the adventure of a lifetime without worrying about fuel stops, noisy generators, or even finding a power hookup. Sounds impossible? Well, the futuristic 2026 Electri Solar RV is here to challenge everything we thought we knew about motorhomes. This isn't just another camper. It's a bold vision of what the future of road travel could look like. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see why so many RV enthusiasts are calling this one of the most exciting concepts ever imagined. From the very first glance, the Electri's Solar RV looks like it belongs in the next decade. Its sleek aerodynamic body isn't just designed to turn heads. It also helps improve efficiency while reducing drag. Every curve has a purpose, giving this RV a premium, futuristic appearance that stands out whether it's parked at a campsite or cruising down the highway. But the real magic starts on the roof. Instead of relying entirely on traditional charging stations, the Electri's Solar RV features an expansive solar panel system designed to harvest energy from the sun throughout the day. Imagine parking beside a beautiful lake or deep in the mountains while your RV quietly generates clean electricity. It's a dream for travelers who love exploring remote destinations without sacrificing comfort. Powering this incredible machine is an advanced all-electric drivetrain that promises instant torque, whisper quiet operation, and zero tailpipe emissions. Gone are the days of loud diesel engines interrupting the peaceful sounds of nature. Whether you're driving through winding forest roads or relaxing at your favorite camping spot, everything feels smoother, cleaner, and far more enjoyable. Step inside, and you'll quickly realize this is no ordinary RV. The cabin feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, making every destination part of your living space. Minimalist furniture, premium materials, and smart lighting create an atmosphere that's both relaxing and incredibly modern. Technology takes center stage throughout the interior. A massive digital control panel lets you manage lighting, climate control, battery levels, water usage, security systems, and entertainment with just a few taps. Voice commands make everyday tasks effortless, while AI-powered systems help optimize energy consumption to maximize your off-grid adventures. One of the biggest highlights is the intelligent energy management system. During sunny days, the solar panels recharge the battery pack while simultaneously powering onboard appliances. That means you can cook meals, watch movies, work remotely, or charge your devices using renewable energy. For digital nomads and long-term travelers, that's an absolute game changer. The kitchen is equally impressive, featuring compact yet premium appliances, hidden storage compartments, and elegant countertops designed to maximize every inch of available space. Even the dining area transforms effortlessly into additional sleeping quarters, making the Electri's Solar RV ideal for couples, families, or adventurous friends traveling together. The bedroom continues the luxury experience with a spacious bed, clever storage solutions, ambient lighting, and large windows perfect for waking up to breathtaking mountain views or stunning ocean sunrises. Meanwhile, the modern bathroom includes a stylish shower, eco-friendly water-saving fixtures, and smart ventilation to keep everything fresh and comfortable. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Advanced driver assistance technologies, multiple cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, emergency braking, and 360-degree monitoring help make every journey safer and less stressful. Whether you're navigating busy highways or tight campground roads, the RV is designed to inspire confidence behind the wheel. Of course, it's important to remember that the 2026 Electri Solar RV